Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, got a double unboxing for you today. Two items here. Let's, the first one was has to do with the Hamilton Beach blender jar I got to replace the plastic one. Well, when I took it over to make sure it fits and screwed on and everything after I did the last video, I was like, holy moly. The base was, the inside part was all, the plastic was all, you can see all the fractured cracks in it, and the gasket was just about ready to, fall apart. So I got to get a new one. So, all right, let me pull this out and open this stuff up here. And yeah, so I get this size box for this size one inside of it. Alrighty, so let's get this open and check this out and see what it looks like. Okay, so it came with the outer ring too, which is, the other one, the outer ring was in okay condition. And then inside here, very sharp, it comes with, look at the condition of that. Nice, no fractures, no nothing. And it comes with 2 gaskets. So this is going to be a great addition to that new glass jar to make sure it works, and I don't need the little box anymore. All right, the next one has to do with some problems we've been having. Let me get it open here. And it has to do with the let's go back a little bit first. It has to do with the PR crap with the LED screw-in light bulbs and stuff. And we started noticing it at the other house first, that we had dimmer switches because why crank it all the way up if you can turn it down? And we had incandescents on it, and we tried dimming the LEDs and get flickering and all this stuff because it slows down what they're flickering all the time at. So let me go ahead and get this box out of here and get rid of that one. And so I've got another box inside here. Oh, here it is. And so what we decided to do was, after finding out a bunch of stuff from scientific papers and stuff on it about how LED bulbs can cause all sorts of the flickering stuff can cause depression, can cause stress, cause anxieties, headaches, and everything else. I decided to go back to some incandescents. Well, the price of the incandescent bulbs were, how do I put it, insane. But I did find some, of course, the problem is too with the incandescent bulbs, they use more energy. But more energy for better health, okay. It's kind of a good trade-off. But then I found these ones here that had the quartz halogens inserts in them, inside of them. And so this one here is a 60 watt equivalent, but it only uses 43 watts, being a quartz halogen. So, all right, so I got a 10 pack here, and I'll put these in the areas that get used the most for lighting, like in the kitchen here, in my office, in my wife's office, and over at Eli's table where he does all his drawing and stuff in the living room. And each fixture takes 2, and I got 2 in the kitchen here, 1 in my office, 1 in my wife's office, and 1 there. So I'll take care of 10 of them. And if I need to, I will order more for the rest of the house. So that's what we got there. And no, I'm not going to toss this box until I actually install these. So I'm going to put it back in its protective cover here and in the box. And as I get them changed out, yeah, then I'll toss the box, but you won't see it. All right, everyone. So that's something to consider if you have replaced all your bulbs with LEDs and they're giving you headaches and stuff, or you don't realize they're giving you headaches and you're just feeling uncomfortable with them. That could be the problem, is because even at full power, they flicker a little bit. But the other thing that really perturbs me is that out of the all the ones we've changed out here, so far 6 of the long life LEDs have already burnt out, and some burnt out last year, which would be we've only had the house for I'd say we've had the house now for 5 years. So at 4 years they're burning out. We've had LEDs last 10 years. I mean, not LEDs, incandescents last 10 years. So for the life of the bulb, for the energy it's using, yeah, LEDs are not worth it anymore, because they're just so crappily made that they just burn out quicker than than incandescents do. I'm just pissed about LEDs. Sorry. Anyways, so I'll get this posted here, and on one of the live streams, I'll give you an update on how it's working. All right, take care, and see you around.